Robotics and automation in industries. Hello everyone and welcome to our latest video on robotics and automation in industries. In this video, we will be discussing how robotics and automation have transformed various industries and what the future holds for these technologies. In recent years, robotics and automation have become increasingly popular in various industries. From manufacturing to healthcare, these technologies have enabled organizations to streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of robotics and automation is that they can perform repetitive tasks more accurately and quickly than humans. This leads to higher productivity rates, which translates into cost savings for companies. For example, in the manufacturing industry, robots can work around the clock, 24/7, without breaks, and produce consistent quality output, thereby improving efficiency. Moreover, robotics and automation can also be used to perform tasks that are dangerous or harmful to human workers. For instance, robots can be used to handle hazardous chemicals or materials, work in extreme temperatures, or even defuse bombs. However, robotics and automation are not just limited to the manufacturing industry. They are also transforming other sectors such as healthcare, transportation, and agriculture. In healthcare, robots can be used to assist in surgeries or even monitor patients remotely. In transportation, self-driving cars and trucks are becoming increasingly popular, and in agriculture, robots can be used for precision farming, such as planting, harvesting, and even weed control. The future of robotics and automation in industries looks promising, with significant advancements expected in the coming years. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see robots that are even more intelligent and adaptable to changing environments. In the manufacturing industry, collaborative robots, or cobots, are becoming increasingly popular, which can work alongside human workers, further increasing productivity and efficiency. In healthcare, robots are being developed that can not only assist in surgeries, but also perform more complex procedures autonomously. Moreover, with the increasing adoption of artificial intelligence, robots and automation systems are becoming more capable of learning and adapting to new tasks and situations, which will only further enhance their capabilities. In conclusion, robotics and automation have transformed various industries and will continue to do so in the future. With their ability to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and perform tasks that are harmful or dangerous to humans, these technologies are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video on robotics and automation in industries.